Up for auction is a Konica Minolta Fiery made by EFI. This is an IC-313. This will work with your 38 Konica C3080, C3070, C2060, C2070. Maybe some other ones that it works with, like a C6100, I believe, 6080 or 6090, whatever the slower version is. Questions, comments, reach out. I'll wipe this. This does have a SSD already installed. I'll wipe it and reinstall 2.1 straight from the discs. I'll also include the discs for you, which I have here. I'll also bump the RAM for you from 4 gigs to whatever this will give you, 16. That makes a big difference. This was on our 3080p, still is. I'll be using this until it sells. Never had any issues with it, never repaired it, just upgraded the hard drive to a SSD like we always do in these. And it's been running since. You get the computer and the monitor. I have a newer Fiery, the 3.0 version that I'm replacing on this press that we took off a different press that was parted out. But this will drive any Konica Minolta C20XX series and C30XX series. 3070, 3080, 3080p, 3070L, I think is another one. I'm not even sure. Call me, check with me. At the end of the video is my email. Let me know what printer you have, and if you have the internal Fiery and you want to go to this, or you have the IC-603, which is the Konica RIP, which is horrible, and you want to go to this, you might need the VI kit that hooks up to the printer. I can supply that for you as well. Questions, comments, reach out. If you have another IC-313 that you just need fixed, I do fix them. I do repair them. Reach out, get in touch. Be glad to help you. We do provide support after purchase, of course. And again, this is just the Fiery, not the entire printer, just the controller, which you need if you're trying to do any bigger jobs, big variable data jobs, VDP jobs, etc. Questions, comments, reach out. Good luck. Happy bidding.